How to become a successful freelancer. Freelancing can be a great way to be your own boss and have more control over your work-life balance. But it's important to be prepared for the challenges, such as finding clients, managing your finances, and staying motivated. Here are the steps on how to become a freelancer. Kuziernic. What are you good at and passionate about? It can be anything from writing and editing to web design and development to marketing and consulting. Set your rates. How much do you want to charge for your services? It will depend on your experience, skills, and the value you provide to your clients. Find clients. There are a number of ways to find clients, such as online freelance marketplaces, networking events, and referrals from friends and family. Deliver high-quality work. Thesis. The most important thing you can do to build a successful freelance career. Make sure you meet deadlines and produce work that is up to your client's standards. Market yourself. Let people know about your freelance services. This could involve creating a website or portfolio, networking with potential clients, and promoting your services online and offline. Manage your finances. Keep track of your income and expenses, and make sure you are paying your taxes. Stay motivated. Freelancing can be challenging, so it's important to stay motivated and focused on your goals. If you're considering a career in freelancing, these tips will help you get started. Thanks for watching, and please like or subscribe the channel.